Today we're at Tibet Butler Nature Preserve. It's near Disney. We hear that you can hear the train station from Magic Kingdom. So we're within earshot, so we'll see. So far I haven't heard it, but we're pretty close to Magic Kingdom. It's really, really nice. There's an environmental center right there, a nature center. And then there's a nice picnic area. The girls have found something to play on. And there's 3.6 miles, I guess, of trails. So we're gonna check it out. Lots of different trails. Yeah, you have the map, right? You guys can tell us. Yeah. What is
You want to be our tour guide today?
You gonna be our tour guide? Yeah. Maybe we'll hit up Pine Circle Trail. I think Palmetto Passage. It said it's flooded, right? So
yeah, so it's closed.
It's closed. But look at this. Alligators and snakes are coming. I think we'll be fine.
Oh my!
I think we'll be okay. We're in Florida. They're everywhere, right?
I've heard that if you don't mess with the alligators, they won't mess with you, right?
Don't mess with them.
Oh, this is big.
Oh look! Oh, there's a tortoise. This Habitat for Darwin, or sulcata, I don't know. Tortoise was designed and built by Eagle Scout Brian Bailey. So this is what we might see. The cardinal. Cardinals. We're gonna go for tortoises. Okay. Which way?
This way.
Which way? I guess it's a circle. This way? All right. There are our tour guides.
Wish us luck.
You tell us where to go. We've never been here before.
Make sure you look up so you don't hit a tree.
It's such a nice day.
We know what way we're going. So, Daddy.
Yeah, silly daddy, they know.
They must know, but we've never been here, so I don't know how they know.
Fork in the road. Oh, there's a little bridge down there. Maybe we should go this way. Fallen Log Crossing. Cross through a bay swamp where water levels fluctuate within the seasons. Part of this trail may be wet during rainy weather. A boardwalk extends across the wettest part of the swamp. Let's go this way. It has an arrow, so maybe we are supposed to go this way. Fallen Log.
When do we follow directions?
Mine doesn't have an arrow.
Oh, yours doesn't have an arrow. So we're on Fallen Log Circle. Do you see it on your map? Oh, you're walking through mud, girls.
I'm only here for the Disney tram thing that they said that we could see from here.
No, it's the train, the railroad, I guess. No, don't go down there. There's a bridge. Yeah, it's. You want to?
Do not go down there.
Do you want to see that swampy? I mean, it does look like a trail though.
It probably is, but it's wet.
Yeah, we're not.
Yeah, we just want to follow the map.
We want to follow the Yellow Brick
We
Road.
taught you well. Follow the map.
My map. Means our map.
This is nice and no mosquitoes.
Woo!
It's a nice day here today. It was actually really chilly when we woke up. It's like, what, 48? For Florida, that's kind of cold.
Not for us northerners, it's not.
And so we wore so many layers, but at the car, we're taking off layers because it warmed up pretty nicely. So we got off the bridge and it's a little muddy, and we met up with someone and she turned around. She didn't make it very far, but she said there's plenty of other trails at that fork, maybe go left. So we're gonna head back and see if the trail's not so muddy and go on that trail. So let's go, girls.
I think I hear the tram. Oh wait, it's just cars on the road.
Okay, it's not the tram, it's the train.
Wait, what? It's not?
The train, like choo-choo at Disney.
Well, gee, I thought it was the tram because I've been told many different things.
Maybe I misread it. I don't know. I thought I read that you could hear the train at the Magic Kingdom.
I guess what this really means is don't trust Google.
But trams, doesn't that like the parking lot? The transportation from the parking lot? I don't think that makes a noise.
I don't know. Well, I think it does. I mean, what's a horn?
I guess it's Disney, right?
But I guess I'm confused.
But seriously, if you guys are at Disney on a vacation and you just want a peaceful morning or a peaceful day, check this out. I mean, there's not a lot of people here and it's very peaceful. And
Yeah, I mean, we barely seen anybody on these trails. So it's an easy trail that we can go on, and you won't see a lot of people. At least on this video, you haven't seen many people.
they're all at Disney World. They're all at Disney
And they must be riding the train.
that we don't hear.
The last one.
Okay, we'll just do the short.
Turn back around.
Yeah, because Palmetto Passage is closed. So we're gonna, after 6, we're gonna go left to 7. So Palmetto Passage is the one.
I feel like we're just numbers. I feel like we're just living life by the numbers.
I don't know where I'm going.
It looks like Mommy is being the tour guide, and the tour guides are in the middle of me and Mommy. But yet, we don't know where we're going. Sand is good for the soul. Up, we're living life by the number. We're at number 3, and we have 4 more to go.
So apparently we're going to, I like that it's marked. We're going to number 6. I don't know if you can see it. And then we're gonna turn, and so we're just doing this small loop, but we heard Palmetto Passage is closed due to flooding, so that would be too long with the kids though. So we're looking, yep, going to number 6 and turning, right?
I've always been told to be number 1, but I guess we're going to be number 6. You know, when I first heard about this place, that Jennifer had told me that it was called Tibet, I started calling it Tidbit. So you're hearing a lot of tidbits from JC Cohn from Adventures with the Cohns. So I'd like to know in the comment section, what are some of your tidbits that you'd like to share with us and YouTube family? So drop it down in the comment section below. We'd love to hear them and see them.
I hear something. I think it was like an animal though.
No train sound, just an animal. Go figure.
Us moms end up holding everything.
Can I get a whoop whoop for the dads who don't have to do that?
Okay, hold hands. Hold hands.
Steady.
All right, so we're gonna look both ways.
Can we go?
Yep.
I think it's safe. Okay,
Alright.
let's go. Feel like the Beatles.
No, silly.
All right, so the girls just finished having a snack, and so I think we're gonna go see the tortoise because earlier we missed it, and so I found where it was, and so we're gonna go check it out. There's the tortoise.
Where is it?
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, it's huge.
I guess the little one doesn't like it.
It's down there. I can't get you.
What do you think, Sweet Pea?
Look at that. Hey, you know Tori the tortoise?
Oh no, where is he going? I think we lost it.
Let's check on the other side.
Doodum, 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 doodum. Whoa! Turtles grow underneath bridges. What I like about tortoises is they're vegan. If you see, he's eating grass. That's good for you if you eat grass and eat salads and all things vegan. And it makes him move and gives him a lot of energy. Don't you want a lot of energy? it is, Tibet Butler Preserves. Now, there's a couple of things that I have to end this with. We did not hear the train at Disney, even though there's been talks about hearing a choo-choo train from Disney, but we did not hear that. But we did get to see a tortoise. That was cool, to be able to see a tortoise, and we learned all about the heritage of the tortoise and why it's here. And we went on a couple trails. We started down one trail, but then turned around and did another trail. There you go. So if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, a like, hit the subscribe button for more videos, but also before you go, hit the notification bell so that when we do upload a new video, you get notified to see our next adventure. So we look forward to seeing you on our next adventure. Bye for now.